How to manage likes notifications on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage likes notifications on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and click this one, settings and privacy, and now go down and click notifications, and then click this one, preferences, and then click here, push notifications, click on it, and then you will see this one here, likes, and just click on it, and you can manage it once you want from anyone, or you can turn it off. And as you see, that's how manage likes notifications on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.